Good morning, it's 9:45, it's JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning. Just finished up our 9 o'clock job here. There's not much to see. This was a move out situation. This customer found this on the internet. Their main concern was cat odor from the litter boxes. Pretty sure this is rental, they're moving out. They're obviously trying to get their deposit back. Basically it was $160 job. This is the area where the cat litter boxes were. It'd be nice if there was a smell feature on video so you could smell the odor treatment we use. Odor treatment is included, so there's no upsell for odor treatment. If there had been spots or heavily soiled areas, things of that nature, those also would have been included. OMG does not charge extra for spots. There's no upsells, no per spot fees, things of that nature. It's all included. Again, this is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.